Hi, I'm just going to show you how to clean a head on the disk drive here. This is I've taken apart my Amiga A500. It's just that bit down there. I went online and I've been told by Moros and Gadget UK 164 best thing to use. You can read that. Focus it. Isopoly alcohol, 99.9 pure. Apparently, more alcohol in it the better. And then you get some cotton wool buds. And then I wasn't quite sure how to do it, so found someone called the Shadows Nose and my friend called Retro Gamer VX. And this is how they've done it. Just put my camera down for a second. It's quite difficult to do this. You need two hands, but basically you do get your get it a bit wet. And then you carefully lift up this bit, and then you clean it. Just give it a bit of a rub like this, and top bit as well. Like that bit, just right in there. Doesn't seem to be all that clean. I mean, dirty. But basically, and then maybe give it a dry using this end. Apparently that's all what you do, and then you just fix the casing back on again. I mean, this is got different, and there's different types of casing for different types of disk drives, but you just, like this one, you just slide this back on again, and then you fix it all back together again. So, I mean, like this is a Shannon model. Each disk drive has different models and different ways of taking it apart. So this just has the one. Sometimes I have a casing on top and the bottom, but this one has a casing on the top of it only. So basically that's just how you do it, and then you fix it all back together again. And as Gadget Retro Gamer VX says, if you don't know how to take things apart, then you shouldn't be doing it in the first place. If you know what you're doing, then go ahead. It's just a quick what Amiga looks like. That's where that's where the keyboard connects up to with. Oh no, sorry, sorry, my mistake. That's for the disk drive. Sorry, this cable and this cable is for the disk drive. Oh, that's where the keyboard connects up to, those prongs there. They're named some. There's a chip called Gary. There's another one. Oh, that's the Fat Agnes there. And that's the 5121 megabyte RAM. That's the CPU. That's the video output. Denise, they call that one Denise. Evan CIA. There's a chip there. It says Evan CIA there. Oh look, there's a chip called Paula. Data path. That's the ROM there. So that one's called Denise. There's another one called something CIC. Can't quite read that. I think it says OUU CIA chip A, and that one's the MNCIB. So basically, that's it. So you have to be very careful when you lift that up. Don't lift it up too high. You don't want to break it. And just never, if something doesn't move properly, then don't force it. But that's how you do it. Okay, well, thanks for watching. Bye.